The magisterial inquiry into the stampede that occurred during the Royal Challengers Bengaluru victory celebration will begin shortly. District Commissioner Jagadeesh is set to record statements from the injured victims today as part of the official investigations. Now, the process will take part in the DC court premises where DC Jagadeesh himself will record the statements. The inquiry aims to gather detailed accounts from the victims to understand the timeline and the reasons that led to the tragic incident. Quick questions that will be posed to the victims: at what time exactly did the stampede occur? These are some of the questions that will be posed with regard to the victims who had to go through the experience of the stampede at the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Some of the crucial questions that will be raised is that at what time exactly did the stampede occur? What were the circumstances that triggered the stampede would be the second question that would be in fact raised. What kind of difficulties and challenges did the victims face on the day of the incident? These are some of the crucial questions that would be posed to the victims. Now, each injured person has been summoned to appear and share their experience. DC Jagadeesh is personally overseeing the process to ensure that all testimonies are in fact properly documented as the investigation moves into a critical phase. My colleague Gautam, in fact, joins us right now. Gautam, some kind of an inquiry already in place, a lot of political upheaval over this, but the DC now being tasked as part of the magisterial inquiry to get details from the victims on how this entire incident has occurred. It's going to start soon, and what could we expect from such an investigation? Because the opposition has been saying that this does not suffice a magisterial inquiry. You require a retired High Court judge to in fact investigate the matter.
Yes, Burgess. So regarding the stampede that took place at Chinnaswamy Stadium, which killed 11 people, now the magisterial probe that had been ordered by the Karnataka government, led by Congress, is set to begin today. Keep in mind that this magisterial probe has been given 15 days to submit its inquiry report to the government, based on which further action will be taken. So as part of that, the Bengaluru Urban DC, Jagdish, will basically start questioning and collecting the statements of the injured victims in the stampede. And three prominent questions will be asked to the victims of this stampede, and that is basically on the lines of what exactly, at what time exactly did the stampede occur. And also, they will be asked about what were the circumstances that triggered this stampede, and also the kind of difficulties and challenges the victims faced on the day of the incident. So these three questions will be posed to a number of victims who will be appearing before the DC's office today, and this probe will officially get underway. But keep in mind that this is not the only probe that is currently underway regarding the stampede at the Chinnaswamy Stadium. There's also a judicial probe that is ongoing by a retired Justice Michael D. Cunha as well, which was constituted a couple of days after the incident took place by the Siddaramaiah government. And parallelly, we also have a CID investigation that is also taking place as well. So amidst all of this, we have to also keep in mind that tomorrow in the Karnataka High Court, the Karnataka government will have to file its response about what led to this stampede and what is the investigation that has happened so far. So the Karnataka government has basically said that they will deliver this in a sealed envelope to the High Court, because they do not want speculations to come out, and until the inquiry is completed in all three fronts, and only then they want it to be made public as well. Here, Burgess.
Well.